In today's fast-paced world, clear and uninterrupted communication is more essential than ever. Whether you're taking business calls, catching up with loved ones, or simply multitasking on the go, having the right earbuds can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 best earbuds that excel in providing exceptional call quality, comfort, and convenience. These earbuds have been carefully selected based on their innovative features, microphone quality, and noise cancellation capabilities. I will leave links in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest price. Starting our list, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro earbuds. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are premium wireless earbuds released by Samsung. The earbuds include 3 microphones, one within, one exterior, and one feed-forward that work collectively to gather and evaluate the sound surrounding you, resulting in a crisp and full-bodied audio experience. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro offers improved noise canceling along with very good sound and voice calling performance, plus support for high-resolution wireless audio streaming if you're a Galaxy device owner with the right setup. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro has clever active noise cancellation technology that eliminates up to 99% of background noise. The active noise cancellation adapts to your environment, letting you listen to music without interruption. They're fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro features a matte, rubberized plastic case that's a rounded square shape. Unlike other cases, this one feels nice and grippy. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is great for commute and travel. Their continuous battery life of under 5 hours may not last through transatlantic flights, but luckily, their carrying case supplies an additional 2.6 charges if you need it. At number 2, it's the Status Between 3A and C Bone True Active Earbuds. The Status Audio Between 3A and C earbuds are equipped with a sophisticated triple driver system, featuring 1 dynamic driver and 2 balanced armature drivers, delivering a powerful and immersive audio experience. This unique configuration ensures crisp highs, detailed mids, and deep bass, providing an unparalleled sound quality that will captivate any audiophile. The Between 3A and C earbuds offer an impressive battery life of up to 8 hours on a single charge with active noise cancellation activated, and up to 12 hours with ANC off. The included USB-C fast charging case provides an additional 24 hours of power, ensuring your earbuds are always ready when you are. With just a 15-minute charge, users can enjoy up to 2 hours of playback time. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the Status Audio Between 3A and C earbuds come with multiple ear tip sizes and wingtips, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for extended listening sessions. The lightweight design and IPX5 water resistance rating make them ideal for workouts, daily commutes, and outdoor adventures. The Between 3A and C earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.2 technology, providing a stable and reliable connection with a range of up to 33 feet 10 meters. With easy pairing and automatic reconnection, users can switch between devices effortlessly. At number 3, it's the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2. The true wireless Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2 set a new standard for in-ear active noise cancellation while delivering a powerful bass-forward audio experience. They feature best-in-class noise canceling and improved sound, thanks to Bose's new custom-tuned sound calibration system that customizes the sound for your ears. Voice calling performance is also much better than that of the original Quiet Comfort earbuds, with excellent noise reduction during calls. Bose has ditched its one-piece stay or wingtips for a 2-piece fit kit system that features separate ear tips and stability bands and 3 size options, giving you more flexibility to get a secure fit and tight seal. They're IPX4 splash-proof. As great as your Quiet Comfort earbuds 2 sound together, there are times when you want to use just one of your earbuds. You can now use either the left or right earbud for listening and calls with independent single-bud use. When on calls, 2 noise-rejecting mix in each earbud focus on your voice and filter out noise and wind, while digital signal processing further filters your speech to optimize clarity. Add this to sweat and water resistance, all-day battery life, and automated functionality, and you have an ideal mobile audio solution. At number 4, it's the Google Pixel Buds Pro Noise Canceling Earbuds. The Google Pixel Buds Pro are a versatile and feature-packed pair of noise-canceling earbuds that deliver an impressive audio experience. With their active noise cancellation and silent seal technology, these earbuds adapt to your ear shape to effectively block out external noise, providing a serene backdrop for your music enjoyment. They're IPX4 splash-proof. One standout feature is their wide compatibility, connecting seamlessly with any Bluetooth 4.0 plus device, be it Android, iOS, tablets, or laptops. The battery life is exceptional, offering up to 11 hours of continuous listening, And with the included charging case, you can extend that to a whopping 31 hours. The convenience of wireless charging, compatible with Pixel Stand and Tie-certified chargers, adds to the ease of use. Transparency mode enhances safety by allowing you to hear your surroundings while listening to music, and voice commands through Google Assistant. Crystal clear calls in noisy environments are made possible by advanced microphone technology. Additionally, seamless device switching and water-resistant design make these earbuds perfect for various situations, from workouts to rainy commutes. At number 5, it's the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 Earbuds. The Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 Earbuds are a remarkable addition to the world of wireless earphones, offering an outstanding audio experience and a plethora of convenient features. This combination delivers the highest resolution audio, allowing you to immerse yourself in your favorite music like never before. Moreover, the built-in equalizer and presets, including bass boost and sound personalization, empower you to fine-tune your audio to your exact preferences. One standout feature is the multi-point connectivity, allowing you to effortlessly switch between two devices. The Momentum True Wireless 3's compact and ergonomic design, complete with multiple ear adapter sizes, guarantees a comfortable and secure fit for all-day wear. The advanced noise-canceling microphones ensure clear and crisp voice quality, making them ideal for calls even in noisy environments. Their IPX4 splash resistance adds to their versatility, making them suitable for workouts, commuting, or traveling. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 28 hours of playtime, with the case providing an additional 21 hours. The convenience of Kai Wireless charging for the case is a welcome addition, making recharging effortless. And with that, we come to the end of my review. We've taken a close look at various options that excel in call quality, comfort, and connectivity. Keep in mind that the best choice can vary depending on your specific needs and preferences. Some prioritize noise canceling for crystal clear calls in noisy environments, while others may prefer long battery life for extended talk time. Whatever your priorities are, you'll find a pair of earbuds on this list that suits you perfectly.